Age is just a number. So there's no limitation. It's all up to us. I'm Tita Abby Mangawang.
Tita Abby, ask ko lang no, why pickleball?
Why pickleball? At our age now, we're looking for something that it's not so accidental and at the same time, we're able to play our sports during our younger years. I played tennis before. I played table tennis, basketball before, and I think this is the perfect sports for us. Present.
Ano po yung naging effect sa inyo ng pickleball?
Aside from losing weight, maintaining weight, losing weight, and the pickleball community, ang saya ng pickleball community, hindi mo yan may pagpapalit. It's like, if you're going to notice, diba, ang daming younger generations. Like at our age, parang iilan lang kami. But these people, these younger generations are making us feel young. Ang saya ng pickleball community.
And ano po yung advice nyo? Kasi syempre, iba, inisip nila yung age nila, parang wala na silang ibang sports na pwedeng gawin, ganon. Ano yung advice doon sa mga tao na gusto ng healthier lifestyle?
Oh, what I can advise them, don't let our age stop us from playing what we wanted. Pickleball is a very friendly game. May mga seniors pa nga dito, somebody else is playing at 80 years old and they're so strong. The love of the game, ang saya. Diba? Parang don't confine yourself at your age. Age is just a number. So there's no limitation. It's all up to us.
Yes. And ayun po, if ever po, ano po ba yung tingin nyo na version nyo for pickleball dito sa Philippines?
Oh my God. Here in Baguio, let me start here in Baguio. Pickleball community here in Baguio is growing. Compared to other provinces like Pampanga, sobrang ang laki yan. Ang laki ng pickleball ng Pampanga and other provinces. Baguio, parang nag-start pa lang yan. But we are really like hoping, or how do you call that? We are trying to be at par of the other provinces. What we do hope is sana it will last long. Just like,
Thank you so much po, Miss Tita Abby. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.